Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Gourmet's Delight by Faiza. I hope you all are safe and are doing well. If you've been searching for the best melt in your mouth butter cookies, yes, then today is your lucky day. This recipe of mine is just simple. You can make this recipe with only few ingredients and trust me, this is just beyond delicious. So let's get started. I have around 100 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature. Into this, I'm gonna add around 1/3 cup of icing sugar. That's 80 grams. If you don't have icing sugar, you can go with powdered sugar too. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. So now I'm gonna whip this nicely. If you have electric beater, you can also use that. So into this now I'm going to add 50 ml of oil, any oil. So I'm going to whip. Keep it over here. Second bowl. I'm going to make flour. So we need around 6 to 7 balls. So there are around 6 petals in every flower and the center part is also there. Now with the help of a toothpick, I'm going to just give it a cut. Just a slit to make it look like a petal. So this is my flour butter cookie. You can use your creativity and you can make any shape of your choice. So this is ready too. Now I'm going to cut circles with the same cookie cutter. If you don't have cookie cutter, you can take any lid. So I have some plain base and I have some crushed roasted almonds and I'm going to just put it on top of this and lightly just press it. You can use any filling of your choice. You can use any nut of your choice. So these are my cookies ready to be baked now. So these are the flower shaped and these are the other cookies. Now let's bake this. I've already preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. So our cookies are done now. Cookies are done. Now let's keep these to cool. So these are our cookies. They're perfect. So now I'm going to take raspberry jam. You can use any flavor of your choice. Whichever is available with you, you can just go with it. Now I'm going to take the plain ones and I'm going to just spread it on this. So now I'm going to place the rings on top of this. And now I'm going to add some more jam in the center. And for this, I'm going to add some Nutella. If you have noticed that I did not make the dish separately, I made it together with the plain base. I just added a disc on top of this. If you want, you can also use some other filling too. Here too, I'm using some Nutella. If you want, you can also go with the melted chocolate. So on these flour cookies, I'm going to dust some icing sugar. So these are my butter cookies. If you like this recipe, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it with your friends and family too. Keep watching Gourmet's Delight by Faiza.